How to add filters in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. After you do this, here on the right top, tap on next. Now we in this editing platform. Here you can make different changes and edits to the video. Here on the bottom, there are different tools that are available. So if you slowly swipe right, there's a section of filters. Tap on filters. Here you can directly download and import them. So tap on the one that you like. At last, here on the right, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. So the filter has been added. Now you can customize it however you want to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.